Hey, today's adventure, we're headed to Batesville Reservoir. Now, I haven't been there in well over a year. Last time we was there, we was fishing. We will get into that when we get there. Love to be able to take y'all on a trail, but that's going to have to wait till next time. Now, next week the trails should be good. They shouldn't be muddy at all. And we're just going to hit them like there's no tomorrow. Guys, I got a little bit of a drive ahead of me. I will talk to you when I get to Batesville, Indiana. We're going to the reservoir. That's right. We'll see you there. I just hope nobody's fishing. True. We'll explain about that. Or I'll tell you about that when we get there, too. Alright guys, I have not been here approximately, we know for a fact it's been well over a year. One of the first times we found this place, well, we walked up to it and then we came back, I think it was the next day or so, and we fished it. Now I'm going to show you where we fished at in a minute. Hey, one of the best fishing trips we've ever had was catching fish hand over fist. And if you guys remember, that was back in the video where we had that muskrat. And Angie and I, about the amateur rookies we is, we thought it was a groundhog, not a groundhog, a beaver, a baby beaver, but it turned out to be a muskrat. But no, we fished right here in this spot. We fished right here and had a grand old time. Went home and told some family members how much of a good time we had fishing here. It was like, hey, we might like to try it. Told them where it was at and came to, I think it was that following weekend, and had one of the worst fishing trips we've ever had. Didn't catch a damn thing. So Angie surprised me. She says, I'm going to take the next, I'm going to take a weekday off work. And I didn't have to work that day, so we came back and we went on the other side. Let's head over that way. I don't know how much video I'll be able to get because there's people over there fishing right now. But we went over on the other side and tried it. And guys, we didn't catch a darn thing. So we fished here 3 times. The first time was awesome. Second time I did catch a catfish. Third time, the wind was just horrible. But guys, let's get a little bit of beauty. This is Batesville Reservoir. Yeah, it's reported, blah, 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 blah. Let me get my wits, and I'll try to spit out what I'm trying to say on the next clip. Supposedly this reservoir, let me hold this up, maybe I can get a good thumbnail on it. Yeah, it's still trial and error on my thumbnails with my iPhone 9 or iPhone, whatever number it is. Okay, oh my God, sorry about this guys. It's just been that kind of day. But anyway, I'm having troubles with the iPhone on trying to get thumbnails. I'm still trying to figure out what's the best size, but yeah, this is supposed to be super deep. I don't know. But let me show you the site from here. You can see a little Sparky down there, and well, we're going to show you people fish from there too. A lot of people fish from this little part too. From what I've been told, It's good fishing right there. I never tried it myself. Alright, we don't want to go too far over this way. As you can see, there's people fishing. Now, I don't want to disturb them, but that's pretty much where we fished at the last time we was here. It's been a little bit more than a year we was here last, and we didn't come here at all this year to fish. Now, don't know why we didn't, we just didn't do it. We didn't even go to the other reservoir in Batesville either. Now, oh, there's a doggy over there. Now, fishing, as far as fishing goes this year, rest of it, we're gonna have to hit some really nice days. Beyond that, it's gonna be hiking adventures and any other adventures. Fishing, unless we get some really nice days, it's going to have to be next year. Yeah. Okay, let me go ahead and go on out through the gate, and hopefully we don't pass this guy up with that dog. And we'll give our closing thoughts. Guys, I wanted so bad this weekend to do some hiking. I tried to pull off something. Stormy, you're ripping my arm off. It is so hard to videotape with the dog sometimes. But I tried so hard to get in there, but it's just too dang muddy. We had rain for all them freaking days, so ain't nothing you can do about it. You just gotta take it with a grain of salt. Hopefully next weekend will be different, and we'll be able to pull some hiking out and go on some adventures. Now, we're gonna probably hit some of the trails we've already hit in the past, only because they're beautiful and they're worth hitting again. Then as it starts getting a little cooler, we'll venture out and do some new trails that we've never done before. So guys, I'm going to probably close this out with a little bit of beauty. And I'll give my closing thoughts. Not sure. Maybe I should give my closing thoughts after this. Because the person over there with the dog ain't going nowhere. Shoot. But let me give you some beauty, okay? You know what? Let's not put no music to this. Let me show you some beauty right here. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my Lord have mercy. This isn't something pretty. Holy. Wow. See, we never seen this all the other times we've been here. We didn't come down here and look at this. Alright guys, this has been Bischoff Reservoir Batesville, Indiana. Can't believe we drove all that distance just to be here maybe at the most 40 minutes. And we're gonna head back. I'm trying to beat it getting dark. I'm trying to beat the darkness back because I want to do a skit video. Now I'm being asked why I didn't produce a Halloween skit this year. It wasn't feasible, guys. My daughter was trying to get some time to help. I could have got help from another young friend of ours, another young lady. She's a friend of ours, but I don't know, it just didn't match up. Plus, we couldn't find a day that wasn't raining. Maybe next year. It's my first year without a Halloween skit in a long time. Yeah, well, it happens. Alright guys, until next time, thanks for watching. Leave me comments below, and maybe next summer we'll be fishing here lots. Maybe. I wish we'd camp here. I think I said that last time I was here. Till next time, come on. Let's get out of here. I gotta go drop some poo-poo in this garbage can up here. Yeah. We'll see you next time, guys, on our next adventure.